Greeting to each and everyone. Welcome to Jeff and Anna Love's wedding reception. By the way, my name is Sally Santos, and I will be your host on this amazing occasion. Feel at ease and let's enjoy this evening. Tonight calls for a day of celebration, and I'm extremely delighted that all of you are here to celebrate for Jeff and Anna Love's wedding day. And I'm welcoming here in Pinagduro, Alhasam for Noguera and Ladera nuptials dinner wedding reception. Tonight is a special night not only for a couple, but of course for the loving family, relatives, and friends who are here with us, because this day marks the new beginning of their lives, being together as husband and wife. So please make yourself cozy and find your animal seats as we're about to start the lovely program for tonight. From where I'm situated right now, it is evident in everyone's expressions that you guys are all excited to meet and witness our newlywed couple who just become one. So without further ado, may I request everyone to please all rise. Let us all stand up, because tonight was for a grand celebration, and it's my pleasure to introduce to you our newlywed couple who just entered the world of marriage. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for Mr. and Mrs. Noguera on the grand entrance. Let's give them a big round of applause. What a lovely couple who just entered the world of marriage. Once again, a big round of applause for Jeff and Anna Ladera Noguera, our newlywed couple who just entered the world of marriage. A big round of applause once again for Mr. and Mrs. Noguera on the house. How are you, Jen? How are you, Anne?
I'm good, thank you.
How about for Jeff? Can you give a few words to all the persons who came for that lovely event?
Maraming salamat sa lahat ng pumunta.
You're welcome. Welcome.
Alright, may we request one word at least from the husband and wife? Alright, congratulations to both of you. We all wish that you may have a happy and long life together with your future children. Yun naman talaga. Have a seat na po. To all the participants, have a seat na po. Dahil na pag-uusapan ang number of kids, we will ask, mga ilang kids? Isang dosena po ba? 4. Bakit po 4?
Kasi 2 plus 2 equals 4.
Habang po kay ma'am. Mga ilang kids kayo ang gusto natin sa ating couple, sooner or later?
Dalawa lang, one boy, one girl.
Ayun. Habang for our second table, mga ilang kids kaya? Alright, we will ask our lovely couple, Jeff and Anne. Mga ilang kids kaya ang gusto niyo? Sooner or later?
Dalawa.
Bakit po dalawa? Habang po kay Sir Jeff? 4. 4. Kaya ko din ma'am? 4?
Hindi.
Bakit po? Kaya. Sana kayanin po yun, no? Pag nagkakaroon kayo ng di pagkakaintindihan.
Minsan.
Minsan.
Tatanggapin ko na. Pero totoo yung sabi natin Irish. Kapag magkaaway kami, hindi siya kinakausap. So pag tahimik ako, ibig sabihin ko din ako.
Ito ang question. Okay na ba magtanong? Ano ang madalas nag-aawayan?
Maliit na bagay. Kumari, pag makalat. Wala naman gawin malaking away.
Wala malaking away.
Never.
Na-witness ba ng ating mga guests?
Oo, kasi
Na hindi talaga sila lagi nag-aaway. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, who will fight for the love to each other? Sino ang kaya maglaman ang kanyang mga nararamdaman naman ng pagmamahalan? Is it you, Jeff, or Ann, or both sila? Come on, raise your lock. Let's go! Right. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Masaya ang lungkot, tampuhan, inisan. But I promise you na magdadaanan lang natin yung pagkasama. We do not have so many things in common. Sobrang dami. Magkaiba tayo. Mahilig ka kumain ng sushi, ako hindi. Pero hindi yung dahilan para hindi kita samahan kumain sa isang Japanese restaurant. Mahilig ka manood ng series na Korean sa Netflix. Ako, hindi. Mahilig ka manood ng Ikulaga. Flower Cats.
Kami din hindi. Ito ka na lang.
Pero sasamahan pa din kita kasi may ticket naman ako nanonood. I always find ways to support you kahit na magkaiba tayo. Sa dami pang tayo pinagkaiba, we are on the same page pagdating sa lahat.
Different word, but same page.
We are one of the living proof na opposite Korean rap. Katapos ng gawin ko, marami magbabago. Papagawin sa sarili ko to be better. To be the best husband to you. And to be the best dad sa mga magiging anak natin. Tingnan sa natin mga.
Mamaya na!
Mahal kita. Ang siyang nagawin ng mas lalo kayo ng mama. Salamat.
Wonderful message for Ann, coming from Jeff. What is your response, Ann, for Jeff? Come on.
Hey, Jeff, thank you for loving me so much.
English na naman.
Sorry. Despite of all my imperfection, Opa, Toyo, Salte.
Ikaw yan!
Yeah, despite of all that, you never fail to show me how much you care and love me. I thank God kasi ikaw yung taong binigay niya sa akin. So I am truly blessed to be part of your life, which as of today become our life together. I vow to always choose you, no matter what. Ikaw pa rin yung pipiliin ko sa araw-araw. I promise to love you unconditionally. I love you, babe. That's all.
Oh my God, may tukaan na nangyayari.
Lakihan mo na. Lakihan na. Sige. Taon mo na yan.
And it's your time, Jeff, to provide one piece or a piece of cake for Ann.
Sabi dito, sabi dito. Baka naman kamayin mo pa. Bias.
First of all, gusto ko naman thank you to each and every one of you, our family here in Manila, for all coming here tonight, sharing your precious time with us. Para sa most awaited day ni Jeff and Ann. And to the newlyweds, I am so proud of you guys for reaching this far.
world of marriage, we just tied the knot.
Cheers!
Cheers, everyone!
Cheers! Cheers, everybody!
Cheers! And honoring the most important guests. Gradually and traditional developed, which meant that the first dance between the newlywed couple symbolizes celebration for the love and union. A big round of applause once again for our newlywed couple, Mr. and Mrs. Noguero, who just tied the knot. Ladies and gentlemen, our guests are having a picking of bills or the traditional Mali dance. Our pins and envelopes are available in each tables for those who want to pin some bills on their garments or on the ribbons of our newlywed couple. You may freely to do so. According to our tradition, especially in our country, money pin or pin to the newlywed couple garments represents a wish that good fortune will rain upon them. It also means helping our newlywed couple financially as they begin their lives together. Congratulations to you, Ate. You received a business in oil. Okay, thank you. Our third winner, you received hair treatment package. Buksan na yan!
Head and shoulder.
Ano naman na kayong? Ano yan? Oh my God! Congratulations! Anong message mo sa couple na si New Pencil?
Thank you. Alam nila na hindi na mga condition na
Ayun pala, kaya pala. At mas magandang gagawin ka na, no? Alright, for this Jen, you receive the relaxation package. Ano naman kayo?
Ano ba yung ay? Pang matanda!
yan. Sa mga kasukasuhan, sa mga trainees, kung ano kung mag-fade ka. Congratulations sa iyo, ate. You receive 50% oil. Okay, thank you. Our third winner, you receive hair treatment package. Buksan na yan!
Head and shoulder.
Ano naman ba yun? Ano yan? Oh my God! Congratulations! Anong message mo sa couple na si New Prince?
Thank you. Alam nila na hindi ka mga condition na
Ayun pala, kaya pala. At mas magandang nagkakalit ka na, no? Alright, for this gen, you receive the relaxation package. Ano naman kayo? Oh my God! Tiger Balm Plaster! Pagtibay pain, ayun din, isa din yun, no? For pain reliever. Thank you so much. That's it. Okay, Christine. Ano na-receive mo? Ano na-receive mo? Ay, fitness package. Buksan na yan! Ay, nakapag-fitness? Ano nalaman mo?
Para pumayat sila, kailangan nila maglinis.
Kailangan mo maglinis.
Kain yung ito.
Dito lang makain. Ay, wala mo sila sila price. Okay. Whitening package for you. Buksan na yan! Ay, nilalik ka pa. So, ay, anong message mo sa couple? You receive this prize.
Salamat ako.
Okay, sa akin naman tayo sa akin. Second to the last player. Ang nursing mo, self-care package. Buksan na yan! Self-care. Ay, face mask. Oo, nauso kasi yung mga influencer yung mga
Ready for influenza.
Congratulations, mga ate at kuya. Ang na-receive mo ay follower. Service package. Buksan na yan! Coffee ko. Coffee ko. Meron pa lang naman. Ay! Nilagtas ko yung mga sa puno. Meron pa naman itiglas pang araw-araw. Tuwing umaga. Thank you so much. Ate, ang na-receive mo pagkaruhayan showcase. Ano ang laman ng huling bayo? Buksan na yan!
Favorite din namin to eh. Kaya pabor.
Ay! Kasi kanto.
Lahan namin lang.
Kumagahan. Congratulations. To all our viewers. I hope you enjoy.
Salamat sa inyo lahat. Actually, intimate lang itong wedding sa chef show. Pero pinila talaga lagi mga pambasita namin. So, lahat kayo special kaya kayo nandito lahat. Maraming salamat sa inyong
Welcome, boy.
yun lang. Maraming salamat sa inyo.
Sabi ko ni Jeff, kaya kayong lahat nandito dahil special kayo at naging part kayo, malaking part ng pagsasama namin ni Jeff. So, thank you at naharating kayo sa special day namin.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for that wonderful and heartwarming message to all the participants who came for tonight's lovely event. And at this point, Sir Jeff and Ma'am Ann, I would like to hear some comments and feedback regarding for my hosting. Take it away, Jeff.
Thank you, Sandy, for hosting our event, special event.
Parang di sila lang masay.
Magaling. Sobrang alive yung
Kaya pang talaga, sir.
Ganyan talaga siya.
maraming salamat.
Sobrang hinihin niya kasi. Ayun. Thank you kasi maganda yung pagkakahost mo kahit sobrang gulo ng mga guests namin. Ay, siya na yung pinakamagulo. You made it wonderful. Thank you.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that was once again our newlywed couple, Jeff and Ann, our Mr. and Mrs. Noguero, who just tied the knot and entered the world of marriage. We would like to acknowledge our as well. Maraming salamat. To all the participants who came for that lovely event. Sabay-sabay natin sabihin mo, once again, congratulations, Mr. and Mrs. Noguera. Come on! This is once again your host for tonight, Istali Santos, sa lahat ng mga bisitang nagsipunta. God bless us all, and thank you so much.